Hello and welcome to the first video and start of Ignite Motorrad. So we are a small riding group that just started out recently and basically wanted to share our videos and experiences with all of you guys and all the fun we're going to have after this quarantine ends. So that's pretty much the gist of it and I hope you enjoy.
Hi, I'm Devashish Puranik. I'm a car and bike enthusiast from Pune.
Hello guys, I am Shitish Rajwade and even I am a car and bike enthusiast from Pune.
Today, in this situation which the coronavirus has presented before us, we are all having to stay home for quarantine. If any of you are not staying home, we all urge you strongly to please stay home for your and public safety. Now, while you are at home, your bikes and mopeds are downstairs in the parking. Now, we must not let them get neglected and we should do everything in our power to maintain them so that when we do go outside after quarantine to ride them again, they'll be working perfectly and in smooth condition. Now, we've compiled this video so that you will know a few tips and tricks to take care of your bikes and mopeds during this time period. One of the most major problems which can arise in your two-wheeler is in the tires. Now, because it's parked in a certain position for a very long time, a flat spot emerges on the tires, which is basically a tread irregularity which happens on the wheels when it is kept in a certain position extensively. Imagine standing in a queue for something which is going to take a certain duration. Your feet start to hurt after a long time, right? Now imagine doing that for a few weeks or even a month. Yeah, it hurts a lot. It'll hurt a lot if you don't change your footing, if you don't sit down. So that's what's happening with your vehicle's tires.
For this, we would recommend you to move your motorcycle every 3 to 4 days either forward or backward to avoid the same spot. Other than that, you should check your tire pressures. If they are low, you should top it up, but try and do it at home and avoid going outside. Other than that, the major thing which is mostly affected is the battery because it dies out and it discharges. And the other thing is the engine, which most people fear to be inefficient after such a long period.
To keep your battery in good condition, you need not remove the battery or disconnect it. You just have to do one very simple thing. Once every 3 to 4 days, go downstairs and turn the engine of your vehicle on. Let it idle for 3 to 5 minutes, that is, let the engine rev by itself. What this will do is, it will regulate the viscosity of engine oil and prevent it from becoming too dense. In addition to this, it will prevent impurities from settling into the oil filter and the engine and sticking to these components. It will also keep your battery in great condition. The last point we're going to cover today is the exterior condition of your vehicle.
You should dust off your two-wheeler every time you start it, that is 3 to 4 days. The best thing would be to put on a cover if you have one, but if you don't, at least cover the seat and the tank. Also, the next thing would be if you have a bike which has a Kickstarter, please preferably use the Kickstarter while starting the bike. And do not rev the bike when you start it, let it just idle for 3 to 5 minutes.
Make it a point to park your vehicle on main stand rather than side stand, especially when it's going to be idle for a long period of time. What this does is the main stand absorbs a large amount of load of the bike from the tires onto itself, and because of this, one tire, which is generally the front tire, remains in the air because of the back of the bike being heavier than the front. And even the tire which is in ground contact develops a less harmful flat spot because of the fact that it is generated in the center of the tire as opposed to the side of the tire when it's parked on side stand. One more thing to be noted is the fuel tank level which you should maintain when your bike is going to be unused for quite a while. Consider the reserve capacity of your vehicle. For examexample, for a Pulsar NS200 it's 3 liters and add 2 to 3 liters to that, and that is the tank level which you should maintain. So if it's 3 liters, then 5 to 6 liters of petrol is what should be in your tank if you're not going to be using it.
We hope you found the video useful and it will help you maintain your bike. Like, share and comment, and if you really like the video, subscribe to the channel and wait for more upcoming videos.
At Ignite Motorrad, we love maintaining our bikes and mopeds to the highest degree that is possible by us. So giving you tips and tricks to do the same was a delight. In the future, once quarantine is over, we will be carrying out many rides and excursions and we'll be telling you all about them through our stories, posts and videos. So please do continue to follow us, and we hope you too get inspired to take out your two-wheeled machines on many more excursions to come. Happy riding, and we hope to see you soon.